It was evening and we had just entered the city of Multan, and we met up with our host Javad. On the way to his house, we were stopped by a plainclothes policeman who showed ID and told us this.
We need security of foreigners. This is the responsibility of foreign security cell. That's why we are asking you to please, we are advising you to please accommodate us and take the police protection.
Okay.
Yeah. They will not stop you anywhere.
No. The problem is
number
like,
one. Number
no,
two.
I get it.
Number two. We will not permit you any foreigner to stay with any person.
Why? The hospitality is amazing.
No. We think.
So this is.
We advise you to stay in a hotel.
Not only is this process difficult for us, but it's also difficult for the people who want to host us, like Javad and Naji.
This is unfortunate, and I think this is like the biggest problem with this system is the fact that Pakistan is safe, number one. We all it's safe, right?
Yes, safe.
But we get police officers.
Yes.
The world thinks that Pakistan is still unsafe because we have to have police officers.